Hi friends, for our WordWork Center today, we're going to solve some puzzles. So task number 1 is to solve the puzzle. Number 2, read the word. Number 3, type in the word. So let's click and look at the next slide to get started. I see that this is going to be a picture of a cat. So I'm going to roller coaster the word cat. Roller coaster with me, ready? Cat. Let's do it again, ready? Cat. At the beginning I hear k. So I'm going to pull over my C first. K, k, k. Ah, 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 ah. T, 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 t. So I'm going to read my word. K, at, cat. Now, if you would like, you can also type in the word. See, in this box, you can type in the word cat. You don't have to type the word, though. That's an extra challenge. Okay, friends? So again, you're going to solve the puzzle. So look at the picture, figure out what it is. Then you're going to roller coaster your word to hear which sounds come first. You're going to drag them to build the word. And then as an extra option, if you want to, you can type in the word. Okay, boys and girls, I'll see you back soon.